Hey everyone, welcome back. Take these stapler pins and we will make a car using it. So fix it one by one in the same manner as shown in the video. Make it stand like this and fix it on the sides. Put the stapler pins over it like this. Now fix it on the sides. Put it like this very carefully. Now after you are done with the box, we will take another pins and then fix them together to make its body like this. Make its wheel using the stapler pins. Follow the same step as we are fixing. Fix the stick and then put the wheels on the sides. Now make few more as such and fix it in the front and your car is ready. Next, we will take the pins like this. After you are done with it, we will fix it one by one. Fix them in the same manner as shown in the video. Take the pins of the golden color like this and follow the same step as we are fixing. Otherwise, you won't get the desired result. Fix it very carefully. Do not hurt yourself. After that, make a triangle-like shape and then fix other shapes together like this. Fix it from the sides. Make the triangle-like shape and fix all of them together one by one. Put them into each other and lock them like this. After making a star-like shape, we will fix the pins on the sides to lock it. Fix it very carefully, try it, and then let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. And it's ready. Now again we will take another pins and then fix it over it like this and make these stars. Again repeat the process and fix them into each other one by one. Fix it very carefully, otherwise it will open and it won't get the desired results. Fix it very carefully from the sides again. Make a chain like this and your bracelet is ready. I hope you liked it. So here we are not yet done with it. We have to make a star over it again using the pins. So fix it very carefully. Now make the triangles one by one and join them to make one more star at the top in the between. Now make these stars as we are making. Fix the pin on the sides. Take it on the side to make the triangles. Make few more as such in the same manner and your triangle or the star will be complete. So look, we are almost done. Fix it very carefully. I hope you liked it. We will take the pins of the staplers and then fix them one by one in the same manner as shown in the video. Perform these steps very carefully. Do not hurt yourself. Put it one by one like this in the lines. So now again we will fix it from the other side as well. Keep following these steps and make a round shape and then your bracelet will be ready. Fix it very carefully. Put it one by one. So here we are using the used stapler pins. So after that, fix it very carefully. Put it like this on the sides and make a shape like this and fix them, and your bracelet is ready. You can expand it or contract it as well, and it's done. Next, take these stapler pins like this and then fix them into each other one by one. Make a box-like shape and fix them again. Put it and your lockets are ready. Next, we'll be making some more interesting crafts. Take these small shapes of the pins and then fix them in the round shape like this. Fix them using the glue and then put a stick in the between. Now fix it like this and your toy is ready. Next, we'll be making some more interesting crafts. Take a sellotape and put the pins over it like this in the same shape. Now color it using red color. Put the sellotape over it and it's ready.